I talked to Blake, he said, you're probably going to have to teach these guys how to run it. So.
Yeah, well, especially Matt.
Oh, not a problem.
Yeah, he's in meetings all day in Washington today, so he wanted me to take a video. I'm sure he's excited.
I called him.
Well, he lives in Salt Lake, but it's a different business.
Well, usually, you know, with eBay, I don't know how familiar you are with photos and Google sometimes they'll sell something or so you bought it and you have your numbers again.
Oh, yeah.
Generally, they find out after they win the bid how much it's going to cost to transport something across.
And you have to file the unpaid bidder. Yeah, no, I'm an eBay seller too, and I get a lot of delinquent buyers. It's no fun.
Yeah, they don't, basically you just pay the money over again and you relist it.
Well, I mean, if you file those non-paying bidder disputes, they eventually give you your seller fees back and your final value fees, which is nice, but it takes a while.
You still have the listing fees that you got to go
give you
all
those
over.
back.
I never got that.
Oh, I usually get them back.